Hey, hi guys. My name is Nitin Pawar. I have 10.5 years of experience in ETL testing. People who wants to learn about the ETL testing, I thought I should cover all those details in a series of videos. So this is my first video. I hope you enjoy these videos. So what exactly is ETL testing? So ETL stands for extract, transform, load. So what exactly this means? So this means that we are extracting the data, then we are transforming the data based on the business logic, and we are loading the data into your target system. Target might be your database, or target might be your file system. So this is what ETL testing. So in ETL, to know about the ETL, firstly we need to know about the data warehousing. What exactly the data warehouse is. So in layman terms, you can say that data warehouse is a process of collecting and managing data from various sources to provide meaningful business data or meaningful business insights. A data warehouse is a central repository of information that can be analyzed to make more informed decisions. So, what exactly this means? So, I'll just give you a means a normal example. Suppose the DMart is there. So DMart is having different chains in a single city. It can have multiple chains. So suppose business want to know exactly which store is doing good and which store is not. So how they comes to know about this, that this particular store is doing good and this store is not. So they are doing this based on the reporting, and that reporting is based on the data warehousing. So in other terms, you can say that data warehouse helps business to take strategic decisions to expand their businesses. To know about this, so I'll tell you about the what exactly the how the architecture looks like for the data warehousing. So this is how the database house architecture looks like. So here you can see that operational systems. Operational systems means there could be different systems. So one can be like sales related data, your customer related data, your transaction related data, and those could be a different, is depends on the business how many different databases they are using. So those different databases will store that related data. Okay, there might be an external data that same business can be using. Apologies, it's raining outside. So we have the external data, we have the operational systems, and in ETL, what it will do, it will take up all this data. Okay, do the transformations and load it into the data warehousing. So in this data warehouse, you'll have your fact and dimensions, and those fact and dimension can be stored based on the different schema. I'll be covering those in the next videos. So once this data warehousing is there, now this data warehouse is divided into the data marts. So different data marts will hold the different informations, and based on those data marts, we have the reporting and analysis. For reporting, business can be used the Power BI, Tableau, SSRS, or any other reporting tools, whichever like their things that covers all their business requirement. And based on that, they will create the interactive reports, and based on those reports, business will get to know about the sales related data, their profit and loss, and all other the things, and based on that, they can take the decision related to business, how to expand it, or whether that store is not like doing good, so we need to close it, or we need to give more discount on that. So those kind of things will happen over there. So this is the data warehouse architecture. I'll covering other details in the next series of videos. I hope like in this video I explained you what are exactly the data warehousing and its architecture. If you have any questions, you can post it over there and I'll try to answer those questions. Thank you so much.